All right, let's just get right into it, because what just went down in the world of AI, it's not just another headline. This is the first shot fired in a war for the future of your job, my job, everyone's job. And frankly, the biggest story of the year just dropped. And this right here, this says it all. This is the whole mood of what's happening. This isn't some far-off futuristic thing we need to worry about later. The wake-up call is here, it's ringing, and it changes absolutely everything. And there it is, the bombshell. Sam Altman himself announced that Peter Steinberger, the guy behind the agent that can literally automate huge chunks of your workday, is now joining OpenAI. And trust me, this is so much more than just a new hire. This is a strategic power play.
So to really get why this is such a massive deal, you have to understand the story of OpenClaw. It's this wild, fast-paced drama that unfolded in like a month. Seriously, it's worthy of its own Netflix show.
I mean, just look at how fast this all happened. In a matter of weeks, this thing goes from a viral open-source project called Claudebot, which was built on Anthropic's own AI model, to getting legal threats from them. Then, in all the chaos, it rebrands to Maltbot, only to reemerge as OpenClaw, now backed by the biggest name in the game, OpenAI. You can't make this up. Okay, so what exactly is an AI agent? It's really important we get this right. See, a chatbot, you talk to it, it gives you information. An agent, on the other hand, it does stuff. It has hands. It can literally click, type, and navigate your computer for you. It doesn't just talk about the work. It does the work. And here's what that actually looks like. We're talking about automating all those tedious things you hate doing. And that last one, just think about that for a second. Your AI agent talking to someone else's AI agent to schedule a meeting, no humans involved. That's not science fiction anymore. It's here. What this whole saga really boils down to is a massive clash in strategy between the two biggest players in AI. It's a perfect case study in how to win and how to lose. And it's just night and day. On one side, you have Anthropic's walled garden. They saw people using their technology in a new, brilliant way, and what did they do? They banned them. They banned their own paying customers. On the other side, you have OpenAI. They saw the exact same thing and said, we want that guy. They hired the creator and welcomed the entire community with open arms. It was a checkmate move. And the community reaction was just brutal for Anthropic. Overnight, they went from being the darlings of the AI safety world to looking completely out of touch. By trying to protect their turf, they basically gift-wrapped the future of AI agents and handed it directly to their biggest competitor, a huge unforced error. Okay, enough about the corporate drama. Let's talk about what this actually means for you and your career. Because the age of the AI employee is coming, and it's coming a lot faster than anyone thought. Let's start with the big, scary number. Goldman Sachs is predicting that 300 million jobs worldwide are going to be impacted by AI. And we're not talking about some far-off future. We're talking in the next few years. And here's the kicker. McKinsey is saying that more than half of all work hours in the US could be automated with the technology that exists right now, today. So the tech is already here. It's just a matter of when companies decide to flip the switch. And if you think this is all just theory, think again. According to Gartner, over a third of business leaders are actively planning to replace human workers with AI by the end of this year. So yeah, that switch is getting flipped as we speak. So let's be really, really clear about this. Forget the image of a robot sitting at your desk. That's not what's going to happen. The real threat is the person sitting next to you who learns how to use an AI agent to do the work of 5 people. That person is your new competition. This is creating a massive divide in a professional world. A line is being drawn in the sand, and you're either on one side or the other. There's really no middle ground anymore. This is the new baseline for what it means to be good at your job. We're talking marketers who can automate entire campaigns, developers shipping code 5 times faster, consultants who can now handle 10 clients instead of 3. This isn't about a small productivity boost. It's a total redefinition of what one person can achieve. And this right here, this is the cold, hard math of it all. Business is run on efficiency. And the moment an AI agent can do 80% of what you do for 5% of your salary, you have to ask yourself, what is the unique value that I bring to the table? Okay, but look, this isn't about scaring you, it's about preparing you. This is a wake-up call, yes, but it's also an opportunity, and there is a clear way forward if you're willing to take it. So here's the game plan. 4 things you need to start doing like yesterday. 1. Go deeper than just writing prompts. You need to understand how this stuff actually works. 2. Treat this seriously. This isn't a hobby. It's a core professional skill now. 3. Become the translator, the person who can connect AI's power to actual business problems. And 4, most importantly, start building stuff now. Don't wait. The people who act today are the ones who are going to win.
So it really all comes down to this single question. The AI employee, the autonomous agent, it's not science fiction anymore. It's being built as we speak at OpenAI. The only question left is, what's your role going to be? Are you going to be the one managing it, or are you going to be the one who gets managed by it, or worse, replaced by it? The choice is yours.